Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and today we are doing another DIY tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this DIY minimalist embroidered t-shirt, then make sure you keep watching. So I found this design on Pinterest. What I can do is add a link in the description to the design that I found and like similar ones as well if you're looking to do like line art embroidery pieces. So I found the design and then I tried on the t-shirt to mark out where I want the design to sit on me. So if you're trying on the t-shirt, I would mark out with like a chalk or pencil just where you want the design to start and then where you want it to stop, and do that for the width as well. What can help is if you grab a tape measure and measure from the start to the stop as well, and then you use those measurements. So mine would be like 4.5 and then 2.5 for the width, and mark that onto the paper so that when you're tracing your design, you know where it needs to start, where it needs to stop, in terms of like the height and in terms of the width as well. So once I traced my design, I traced it again onto some really thin fabric or see-through fabric. What you can do instead is use like interfacing or embroidery interfacing. You just want something thin enough so that you'll be able to stitch it to your t-shirt without it looking too obvious. If you can draw the design with maybe like fabric chalk straight onto the t-shirt, go for it. But I don't trust my drawing skills that much, so this is my little hack to get around that if you're not very good at drawing. So once you've pinned your design to your t-shirt and you've added your embroidery hoop, which I personally think is optional, then you can start stitching. So I have 3 embroidery threads that I'm using to create the stitches, and I'm doing a back stitch all around the t-shirt.